At Rich's, you can pick your muffler and your tips before you buy. With all major brands in stock, we have you covered. If you're looking for one of our proprietary systems, your vehicle needs to be in-house. See it and hear it before you buy it at richsperformanceexhaust.com. Make sure to check us out on all of our social media pages: Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. To further optimize your vehicle's performance, we also carry AFE, K&N, and Air Raid. Rich's Performance Exhaust, burning up the competition.